Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about the real reason homeowners build wealth, and why it is usually not luck, but a combination of leverage, equity, stable housing costs, and time. First, one of the biggest reasons homeowners build wealth is that they own an asset that can appreciate. In simple words, appreciation means the property may increase in value over time. So, instead of only paying for a place to live, homeowners are also holding an asset that may become more valuable year after year. As a result, the house can slowly turn into a powerful source of long-term wealth. Next, homeowners build equity every month. Equity is the part of the home that you truly own. When you make mortgage payments, part of that payment reduces the loan balance. Because of that, your ownership in the home keeps growing. In the beginning, the change may feel small, but over many years, those monthly payments can create a large amount of equity. At the same time, many homeowners lock in their housing cost with a fixed-rate mortgage. This matters because rent often rises over time, while a fixed mortgage payment stays more stable. Of course, taxes, insurance, and maintenance can still change, but the main loan payment becomes more predictable. Therefore, homeowners often gain an advantage because their housing cost becomes easier to manage while income may increase over the years. Moreover, homeownership allows people to use leverage. Leverage means using a relatively small amount of your own money, such as a down payment, to control a much larger asset. For example, a buyer may put down a smaller amount but still benefit if the full home value rises. So, if the property increases in value, the gain is based on the whole property, not just the original down payment. That is one of the most powerful reasons real estate can help build wealth. In addition, homeowners may benefit from certain tax advantages depending on the country, location, and personal situation. In some cases, mortgage interest or property taxes may offer tax benefits. Although this does not apply equally to everyone, it can still reduce the overall cost of ownership and improve long-term financial results. However, it is always important to check with a qualified tax professional before depending on these benefits. Furthermore, homeownership can create long-term financial opportunities. As equity grows, that wealth can later be used for other goals, such as education, investing, starting a business, retirement, or upgrading to another property. In other words, a home is not just a place to live. It can also become a financial foundation that supports future plans. For example, imagine a home worth $400,000 in year one, with only a small amount of equity at the start. Then over time, the home value increases, and the loan balance slowly decreases. By year 10, year 20, and eventually year 30, both appreciation and monthly payments can create much more equity. That is why consistent ownership over a long period can lead to meaningful wealth growth. However, the real lesson is not that every home instantly makes someone rich. Instead, the real reason homeowners build wealth is that they own a valuable asset, build equity month by month, lock in a major housing cost, use leverage wisely, and give time the chance to do the heavy lifting. So, the key is usually patience, consistency, and smart long-term ownership. Finally, real wealth is often not about how much you earn in one moment. Rather, it is about what you own, how you manage it, and how long you allow it to grow. That is why homeownership works best for people who buy smart, stay consistent, and think long-term. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.